Hey, what's up guys? It is Thais here, and today I will be trimming my hair. Finally, I have been putting this off for the past month, guys. So I have a trick for myself. I will be trimming my hair on damp hair because by the time my hair dry and I blow dry my hair and apply my leave-ins, I'm so tired. And then I always postpone it to tomorrow, and then tomorrow turns into the next wash day. So today I am finally getting this over with. So right here I am 6 months post, guys. Can you believe it? It's crazy. In 1 week I will be 6 months post. So I'm just using this Novix leave-in conditioner. This is the bamboo sprout. I actually got this in a gift bag 2 weeks ago at an event, and I've just been using it. It feels pretty good. I'm actually a fan of their brand now. Wow, they make really great products. So I usually trim my hair every 10 weeks on relaxer day, but since I haven't been relaxing for the past 6 months, I've been trimming every 3 months. I think my last trim was 3 months ago, so I think I'll just stick to that schedule. So I'm right here parting my hair, and I forgot to tell you guys what I'm doing. So this is how I trim my hair. I'm not like a professional at it. This is what works for me. So I just part down the middle, and then I part it into 4 sections, and I trim it by going through each part. You guys are gonna see what I do if you haven't watched any of my trimming videos before. So this is what works for me. Oh, my hair is still tangled. I need to detangle. I'm around here talking about I'm going to trim my hair, and I haven't even detangled my hair yet. Oh my goodness. Let me detangle this hair. I'm just making sure that my new growth is moisturized before I detangle it. So I'm just pinning the section up, and if you guys can notice, because I haven't relaxed my hair in 6 months, my relaxed hair look very thin compared to the roots. So yeah, it's giving that illusion. So I have to be careful not to cut off all my hair because yeah, it's not actually thin. The roots are just super thick, so it looks thin. So this is what I do. I just part off a section like that. And then I go through each section, detangle each section before I trim. Like that. I use my rat tail comb to ensure that the ends are properly combed down so I can get to them properly. So yeah, I just comb from where the demarcation lines start, comb down. This is really needed, guys. Like, I'm so tired of my ends looking really bad. So I have about that much. I think I should bring the camera down. Let me bring it down a little so you guys can see how long my hair is getting. Like, look at that. It goes all the way down to my breasts. It's on my nipple actually. Oh, yeah. So now that I have trimmed one by one, just comb it all together. Then I comb it back going that way. My goodness, it's getting so short. Shrinkage is a liar, guys. Like, I have about like 3 inches of new growth that's just shrunken up in there. So don't mind my hair. It feels so much better to comb after a fresh trim. Like, I can just feel the difference. Like, look at that. Okay, so now I'm going to repeat the same process on this side. It's going to be hard for me to show you guys on camera what I'm doing to this side, but basically I'm just going to be doing the exact same thing. So now that I am finished with the two front sections, I feel like this side looks shorter than that side, but I will even it out when I go around my hair later on after I finish trimming the back. Now it's time to do the back. So for the back, I section this off in two sections as well. Oh well, I cannot find that clip. Like, I don't know what it is about clips and pins and hair ties. They just disappear over time on their own. I don't know. It's so strange. It's like always at the time when you most need them. I almost forgot to moisturize. This is how it looks, and then I just cut off all those ends. You see how it look like, I don't know how to explain it, looks scattery like that. So I just cut all of those scattery pieces away, and this is how it looks after I cut it. It's nice and blunt. There it goes. Much better. Oh, look at all of this hair all over me. Oh my goodness, I need to clean off my shirt. Hair is all over this ground. I cut a lot, guys. I think I cut like a good no, it's not 2 inches, 1.5 inches off all around. So now I'm going to blow dry my hair and get someone to help me cut going around just to even it out. So that's how I look from the side. See, my hair looks see-through. That's because of how thick the roots are. 6 months post, guys. That's why it looks like that. So this is where it's at. I'm like at shoulder length unstretched. And I'm gonna show you guys the back. I don't like how thin my hair appears. That's the only thing, like, that's like aggravating. Like, your hair looks so thin when you haven't had a relaxer in a long time. Plus it put a lot of strain on my relaxed hair, so I'm not surprised at all. I'm really not surprised. But yeah, thank you all for watching this video. Please give this video a rating, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.